Hey there, my name's Sarah, and you know when you're scrolling through your Instagram feed and you see a really cute outfit that you love? Well, lately I've been saving them to my saved section titled Fashion. I picked out a few spring outfits from people that I follow on Instagram that I wanted to try to recreate using clothes that I already have in my closet. You should totally try this out, and then you'll have a bunch of cute spring summer outfits ready to go when we can, you know, go out and go places if we're talking currently. Let's see how I do. Okay, I think we're off to a good start with outfit number one, and of course can't forget the hat. I feel like this really makes the outfit. This is a super cute spring outfit idea. I'm so glad it turned out. It looks so cute. Definitely encourage you to try this out, find some outfit inspo, look through your closet, try to recreate things, because I think you'll definitely be pleasantly surprised like I am. Let me know in the comments how you think I'm doing with recreating all these outfits. I think this one was a success. Unfortunately, I didn't do as well on this outfit, I think. I mean, I've got the headband and all the other elements, but I had to get a sweater with buttons at the back, turn it around, tuck this bit in and this bit in to make it more similar to the one in the photo. I think I need one that's a little bit more loose and has that neckline and cropped look with a more flouncy white floral dress, and I think this outfit would look a lot better. So unfortunately, I don't have anything in my closet to recreate this one exactly, but I think it turned out okay. It's not horrendous or anything. I think I did pretty well on this one. I mean, I don't have the exact colors, but I got the general idea, and I think this is a really cute spring business casual look. I love the pop of color and the white. I just feel like it's full of spring summer hope. For this outfit, I added the pink belt and the yellow and navy headband to kind of spring it up a notch. It was giving off too much of a fall vibes outfit for me, so I think I did pretty well at recreating this outfit too. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure to click that bell icon so you can be notified as soon as I upload, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.